Welcome to my channel. In this channel I produce videos on advancing technologies for better living in India and abroad, fellowships and scholarships from different universities, organizations and countries, and job vacancies in India and abroad. In the present video, I would like to talk about Homi Bhabha National Institute, Mumbai invites applications for DIE Doctoral Fellowship Scheme for eligible and interested candidates. Applications are invited from engineering postgraduates for admission to DDFS, formerly known as DGFS PhD. Program 2021 under the aegis of Homi Bhabha National Institute, Human Resource Development Division, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC, invites applications from engineering postgraduates, ME or MTech, equivalent degree for admission to DIE Doctoral Fellowship Scheme. For pursuing PhD under the aegis of Homi Bhabha National Institute, deemed to be university commencing from August 2021. The selected students will be admitted to one of the following constituent institutions of HBNI: Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC, Mumbai; Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, Kalpakam; Institute for Plasma Research, Gandhinagar, Gujarat; Variable Energy Cyclotron Center, Kolkata. Study level doctoral, location Homi Bhabha National Institute, Mumbai. Eligibility or qualification: qualifying degree and other academic qualifications. Candidates should possess ME or MTech or equivalent postgraduate degree in chemical, computer, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical, metallurgical, materials, nuclear engineering with minimum 60% marks. In addition to this, the student should have 60% marks in BE or BTech or any other degree considered to enter ME or MTech program. The qualifying 60 marks should be as per the ordinance of the respective degree awarding university or equivalent of cumulative grade point average CGPA converted to percentage marks by multiplying with 100 by x if the CGPA is on 10 points scale. Age limit: the candidate's desire of availing DDFS fellowship should have been born on or after August 1993. Age limit is relaxable by 3 years for OBC non-creamy layer and by 5 years for SC or ST applicants. Persons with disability of categories are eligible for further age relaxation of 10 years. The age limit for the candidates working as faculty in engineering college is 40 years. Who desire to pursue PhD without the fellowship grant? Nationality: applicant should be Indian citizen. Job position or description: the selected students will be awarded fellowship under DIE Doctoral Fellowship Scheme for pursuing PhD under the aegis of HBNI. The other terms and conditions are: the fellowship under DDFS is tenable for 3 years. Any further extension is based on the progress made in PhD program and recommendations of the competent authority in any case. No extension will be given beyond 5 years. The amount of fellowship payable under the scheme is 60,000 rupees per month, besides house rent allowance and medical benefits as per rules. an annual consistency grant of 40,000 is available for all expenses related to PhD problem. The selected fellows will carry out research under the joint supervision of two guides, one having basic strength in research and the other technology development. One has to make own arrangement for accommodation. Exam related information. Question paper in each discipline will comprise of 50 questions in 4 choices A, B, C or D, only one of which will be the correct answer. A candidate who chooses the correct answer will get 3 marks, whereas a candidate chooses a wrong answer will get -1 mark. A candidate who does not attempt a question will get 0 marks for the question. The duration of the exam will be 90 minutes. Candidates are not permitted to bring a calculator or mobile phone or smartwatch or earphone or any other electronic device inside the examination hall. Candidates are also advised not to wear ornamental outfittings and jewelry while reporting to the examination hall. How to apply? Only online applications will be accepted. Candidates must visit this website and fill the online application form in the period February 1st to 28th February 2021. Launch of online application portal February 1, 2021. Last date for online application February 28, 2021. Download of application admit cards March 4, 2021 onwards. Screening examination March 21st. Tentative declaration of list of candidates shortlisted for selection interview April 4th, 2021. Selection interviews April 18, 2021. Declaration of list of selected candidates May 3rd, 2021. If you find this video informative, you can like, share my video among your friends, and you can press the bell icon for the latest updates. Subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. See you.